In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resize your videos for YouTube Shorts on the PC, and we're going to do this with CapCut. So CapCut is a video editor, and it's very simple to resize your clips. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and go to Google and do a search for CapCut. Now, once you've made that search, you should then find CapCut.com. Go ahead and click on that and simply download CapCut for Windows. Now, once you've got CapCut downloaded and installed, we can now use CapCut to resize the dimension of our videos. So now we will go ahead and open CapCut, we'll click import. We will then choose a video that we want to resize. In this case, I'm going to resize this tutorial video here. So we can then click open, and you want to then drag it onto the timeline. So here you've got your long YouTube video. Now what you might want to do is clip out a section for YouTube Shorts. So go ahead and click where you want the section to start, click on the split tool, and then go ahead and find where that section ends and click split again. Now all of these clips outside of the two splits you made can be deleted, and here you've got your YouTube short video. Now let's go to ratio, and we will change the ratio to a YouTube Shorts dimension, which is going to be 9:16. Now we've got one last thing to do, and that is to resize our content. So make sure you've got your clip selected, then go to scale, make sure you're on the video tab, then go ahead and make this bigger. You can also change the positioning with the X and Y axis here. So that's how you do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.